Hello and welcome to this video that will show you how to eat lettuce. How to eat lettuce. Lettuce is a food, apparently. You can consume it via the mouth. Here we have some lettuce. As you can see, it's quite noisy, and that's already my first issue with the lettuce. Not a fan of the noise. Lettuce comes in this green colour, very unnatural looking colour. I think the food's a bit radioactive, but I've been told that it's quite good for you. I do find that hard to believe, but we'll soon find out. Also, I've discovered that other animals eat this food, such as slugs. If you are looking to become more like a slug, then this food could be just for you. So without further ado, let's get this thing open now. This is what some lettuce looks like. Now, I'm on a diet, so I don't think I'll eat the whole thing. I'll just have a little bit of it. Just take this thing off. Put the rest aside for now. That's a bit too much, actually. I'm trying to watch my figure. Just take that off. There we go. That should be more than plenty. So let's give this thing a taste test now. Remember, it has to go into your mouth and you have to consume it for it to be eaten. Here goes. It's a bit meaty for my liking, to be honest. Let's try some more to see if it tastes better the second time around. No, it's no better that time around either. Now, after eating this lettuce, it is apparently supposed to make you nice and big and strong. We'll just see if that is true. I'll just see if I can lift this. Oh yes, I can. I can lift this quite easily, but then I could lift it quite easily before, so that's not a great test. We'll need to try something else as well. So I'll just try something a little bit heavier to really test out whether the lettuce does in fact make you stronger. Let's just give this a go now. 2 tissues. Well, I'm convinced now that the lettuce actually does make you stronger. I'm lifting this, barely a strain in my arm. Little bit of a strain, but I can lift it. I can lift it successfully. There is video evidence to see that I'm lifting this. It's not edited. It's not that edited. So I can lift this. I can confirm. You have proof. Putting it down now, it's just, my arm's getting a bit tired. Not from the lettuce, just from gravity. So we have seen the health benefits of the lettuce, but of course it tastes vile. So I've actually come up with my own recipe to make this lettuce taste a lot nicer. So what you're going to want to do is to put the lettuce aside, just like this. Pick up a Kit Kat, just like this one here. Open the Kit Kat. Put the foil aside. Put the Kit Kat down. Lift up your lettuce. Put the Kit Kat inside. Fold the lettuce over, just like this. And enjoy. Mmm. That's much better. And that completes the video on how to eat some lettuce. Now I've still got some of the taste of the lettuce in my mouth, so I'm going to quickly rush off now and quickly consume some other food to get rid of that taste. So I'll catch you all later. Goodbye, everyone. Where's the soap? I need soap. Please. I do have to give the lettuce lots of credit actually. After eating it, it really does make you appreciate the proper food out there, such as this. And this. And even this. So thank you very much, lettuce, that's very kind of you. Never again.